Alright, let's give this a try. Basically doing the same thing as the DiGiCo idea with the Bob and Bob with hat, and the other channel is Mark and Mark with hat. So we're in scene 1 where both EQs are flat. Scene 1, 2, and 3 are all the same EQ, and then scene 4 will be the EQ with the hat. So as we go through the scenes, you see that nothing changes. At the moment I've got them all set to be flat. So scenes 1, 2, 3, and 4, and 5 all have the same EQ. Let's say we need to make a change though to Bob's EQ. Let's push his high end up. So I want that to be the same for the first 3 scenes, which it is. But then when he goes to the one with the hat, I want it to change. So there it is, it's changed. And let's say with the hat he takes all the low end off. And then the 5th scene, he's back to without the hat. And there it is with the hat. Without the hat, sorry. And back to number 1, it's the same EQ. Over here we're looking at Mark. Bob is the top one. We can only see Mark at the moment. So let's do the same thing with Mark's EQ. So Mark, his normal EQ has a top end rolled off. So that's going to stay the same for the first 3 scenes. Scene 4 is where he's got the hat on. And it goes back to flat. But let's assume that with the hat he needs this big mid boost. And then back to the without the hat. So with hat, you see the 2 EQs are changing. Without hat, it's staying the same. And as I go through the scenes, when I'm in that scene, making any change at all will stick for all the scenes that have that same EQ setting or same cue with the same linked cue. The links are here. So there you go. Looking at this in out of run mode, you can see how this is the Bob settings and this is the Mark settings. The A is showing that these 4 EQ settings are the same for those 4 scenes, and then this one here is different. And then here these 4 channel settings are the same, and this number and 4th scene is different. So that's how it works.